Today, we've got some exciting news for you. From gaming price hikes and AI-driven search to groundbreaking medical tech and major legal rulings. Buckle up, let's dive right in. Gamers, brace yourselves. Microsoft is raising the price of all Xbox Series consoles by $100 in select countries, and first-party game prices are jumping to $80 per title. That's a major change that brings Xbox in line with the rumored pricing of Nintendo's upcoming Switch 2. So, what's driving this price hike? Part of it comes down to rising manufacturing and shipping costs, but a big contributor is the latest round of global tariff increases on imported electronics, especially in regions like Europe and parts of Asia. Microsoft is passing those costs down to consumers, signaling that gaming hardware is not immune to global trade tensions. For gamers, this might shift behavior toward cloud streaming, digital services, or skipping console upgrades altogether. For the tech industry, it's a sign of how geopolitical pressures are starting to reshape product pricing and global availability. If trade wars intensify, expect more tech giants to quietly raise prices across hardware categories. And while Microsoft is asking you to pay more to play, Google wants to change how you even find out about those games. Google is now testing AI-powered search results with the public in the US, introducing what it calls the Search Generative Experience. Instead of a list of links, users will now see summarized answers, personalized overviews, and follow-up prompts, all generated by AI. This isn't just a cosmetic update, it's a fundamental shift in how we access knowledge. You could ask, what's the best console in 2025? And receive a curated, AI-synthesized answer, cutting out entire blogs and review sites. For consumers, it's about faster answers and less clutter. But critics warn it may reinforce bias, reduce informational diversity, and threaten websites that rely on search traffic for revenue. For the tech world, this change intensifies the AI arms race, forcing publishers, marketers, and businesses to rethink how they show up online. So if Google's AI can summarize the world for you, what if your brain could do the same without speaking a word? Elon Musk's Neuralink just hit a major milestone. The FDA has granted breakthrough device status to its brain-computer interface designed to help restore speech in people with severe disabilities. The device is meant to decode a patient's brain signals and convert them into speech in real time. This advancement could be life-changing for patients with ALS, locked-in syndrome, or traumatic brain injuries, giving them a voice where once there was silence. This is a glimpse into a future where communication doesn't require speaking or typing. In the tech world, it's a breakthrough with massive ethical and regulatory implications. If Neuralink can decode brain activity, what's next? Thought-controlled devices, cognitive enhancements, or even mind-to-mind communication? The FDA's recognition means this technology is closer to reality than most think, and the race to control the mind-machine interface just got a green light. And lastly, in a significant legal development, a US federal judge ruled that Apple willfully violated a 2021 injunction related to its App Store practices. The injunction had ordered Apple to allow app developers to include links to alternative payment methods outside of Apple's own system, which charges commissions of 15% to 30% on in-app purchases. Judge Yvonne Gonzalez-Rogers found that Apple continued to impose barriers and attempted to interfere with competition, despite the court's order. She criticized Apple CEO Tim Cook for poor leadership and referred the case to federal prosecutors for potential criminal contempt proceedings. For consumers, this could lead to more choices and potentially lower prices for in-app purchases. For developers, it represents a significant shift in the power dynamics of app distribution. And for the tech industry, it signals increased scrutiny and potential regulatory changes in digital marketplaces. And that's all for today. Join us on Monday for another episode. Thank you for watching.